Now I'm going to teach you how to migrate your installation from the local to the remote server using plugins. So what you're going to do, you're going to delete everything, or we can actually just move it to uh, another folder, put it as old, like that. That is how we can do it. And I'm going to teach you how to install a new copy of your WordPress using inbuilt tools. So you can use this WordPress management, or you can use Softaculous. Softaculous comes with so many hosting. It's a very good and a reliable thing to use. So even if I scan right now, I will get an installation already in the old folder. It will tell me there's a WordPress found on the old folder. When I go to return to WordPress management, I can actually get it there, and I can even log in straight from there. Okay? Only that it's not well configured, and that's why you're getting this, because it's mapped on an old folder. So what happens when you move those files to an old folder? Or you will actually get the directory, because there are no files to process the root and tell the root that this is where the installation is at. That's why you can't even log in on Softaculous. So just tried clicking the old folder, and this is what I am getting, lots of errors. Anyway, so I can do a quick install using Softaculous, just how we used in Laragon. So this is how you install WordPress installation using Softaculous. You can say HTTPS, that's the protocol, okay, with SSL. Come and delete this WP directory such that it's in the root. Then you can call it Devin, okay. Site description, just call it Devin. Can even open our Devin and test and see how it looks like. Ensure your Laragon is still up. So the username was Devin, the password was Devin at 2025. That is a simple thing. And we can do info at devin.test, whichever email you want to use. Now you will use your email, create the user such that you can send lost password. Yeah. So advanced options, I usually go to advanced tab and I change my database name. Database name, I can name it because I already have DB, I can name it WP for WordPress. So when I say install, it will automatically create a new installation. It will create a user called WP and a database called WP, assign every single thing, and it will be well done. So I already have an installation. If I go to elementor.co.ke, I have a new WordPress installation, and I can even log in straight from Softaculous. That's why Softaculous is quite uh, an amazing place to be. So I can just say login, and I will have that. Yeah. Now, uh, now what happens is now I need to um, go to my local installation dashboard, and then I'm going to install a new plugin called WP Vivid. It's a very good plugin to help you to, yes, migration, backup and staging, WP Vivid backup and migration. It's a very good plugin to help you with that. So I will come to my online one, new one, and they say WP admin, yeah, like that. And I'm going to log in. Yeah, I was already logged in because I clicked here to brought that onboarding process. So you can see we have uh, uh, quite some bloat here, yeah, that have come now with the installation of you know Softaculous. It's a new feature. Never had these things. But we're going to delete them. Actually, WP Vivid has a way of just duplicating exactly what you have. I'm going to install WP Vivid here as well. It's one word. With WordPress, everything is usually case sensitive. Here it is. And I'm going to activate it here. I'll wait for it to finish here and activate it here as well. Activate it. Then I'm going to say what I want to send is database and files. And I want to actually they have this auto migration here, okay, which is a very, very powerful feature. So what you basically do is go to your destination site here, get key. Okay, the key will expire in 8 hours, whichever hours. You can tell us 8 hours and just say generate. And then you're just going to copy this. No, this is not the destination. Sorry, our destination site is this elementor.co.k. Just generate. Then you have that as our key. Then go to auto migration. Uh, click here on paste the key here and say WordPress and files and say save. Okay, like that. And after that, you can click the clone then transfer feature and it will automatically start the process and it will tell you this network connections and all these things. Now, sometimes it may have issues. It will even tell you some web host may restrict the connection between the two sites, may get a 4.3 error, unstable connection, and it's recommended you do the manual transfer. I normally don't use WP Vivid for my transfers because I am a manual guy. I love doing my things manually. So basically, that's how you transfer from local to remote using what we call plugins.